Here he comes. What happened? Did it just die as soon as you hit that?
Welcome back to Rowdy Relics. Freaking sweet.
So, don't play with ketchup in your pocket, it explodes in your pocket.
Did it?
Yeah, and I got ketchup in my pocket.
What are we doing today, guys?
Cody's gonna break and get stuck, and I'm just gonna go home after that.
Well, it sounds like a pretty good plan to me.
And this is how you properly open the door.
Cody!
Hey!
I can't close my door now.
Oh, here, I got you. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, there's a scuff mark.
What's wrong with you?
That's my word.
Was that the factory horn?
Yeah.
Man, mine's the only one that sounds normal.
What factory?
I don't need a horn. I just do this. Tastes like dirt.
Exactly, I can fit.
You can fit a Codey And a Lindsay in there. Nice touch.
Oh, I don't know. You need.
Cody.
Rowdy Relics.
Freaking sweet!
Freaking sweet!
Wow.
I'm gonna slide the truck over.
Well.
Your license plate is here. There you go. No.
You're gonna hurt your light. That was your light. A what?
I can get a computer get destroyed.
Yours?
Well, I'm thinking of going Baja mode over the hill right here and just ram it. See if I can hydroplane a little bit. But I'm gonna go over the hillside and ram it as hard as possible. So.
Okay, give her, Cody. Cody's got himself a little audience lined up. It's gonna be pretty sweet. All I'm gonna see is water. Here he comes.
Did it just die as soon as you hit that? Does it crank?
Did you check your battery grounds yet?
Yeah, I got power.
Hey Cody. Hey Cody, you might have hydrolocked it.
I was just thinking.
That's full of plugs. Do you have any tools?
No. Someone can quickly rip to my garage. My blue thing is right there. My house is right there.
What does that mean? When you
There's water in all the cylinders.
oh, really?
Hydrolock. Was the shot cool at least?
Yeah, it looks sick.
Okay.
For about 4 feet.
Yeah, it was awesome. Good power in that Jeep. Okay, I just got the tools from Cody's and we're heading back to fix it. Okay, let's go. So what's the verdict again, Cody?
Well, we cranked it over. It went crank, slam.
Oh yeah, you got it freed up a bit.
So
it's definitely got...
It's definitely has
Definitely got something in it.
Okay, well I'm not gonna stand here useless and film, so we're gonna get at this. 2 minutes later, the first one out.
It's not supposed to have water, Trevor. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Not supposed to be that wet?
No,
Gas doesn't make it that wet?
No, normally, engines don't like to run on water. Cody decided that water was a fuel additive.
What do we got?
Oh,
It's more dry.
more dry, wet oil. Better than the first cylinder.
Do you want me to pull off part of your airbox down here?
Oh, take
Get
the whole box off when we crank it over.
We gotta get that off, but just tip that over again. No, yep, up. Oh man.
Hey, Cody. Cody, that's supposed to be air. You can hear it.
There. That better not be the wife.
It probably is because I just dropped into the house and f***ing peeled out of there.
What does it say?
My little wife.
Yeah, you can talk to her.
Hi, Lindsay.
Really fast?
We're currently fixing your husband's Toyota, so.
Hey, honey. Might have hydrolocked the engine.
Just listen. Oh, Cody.
What?
Look at that.
Oh no! Where's that gonna go?
It'll go into the motor, but we just gotta crank it till all the water's gone.
Does anything go to the crankcase?
Oh yeah, the oil is gonna be full of water.
Yeah, we got
He just
jumpers.
told me not to die, so I didn't die.
And we're all gonna make Easter dinner by 4 or 5.
Oh, good.
What?
It's just a
Oh,
little
that
wet.
washer's loose.
Yeah, she's wet. Hi, honey. Love you.
Sure.
Sure? You told me not to die. You gave me permission. The video is sweet, though. It's gonna be the best 3-second clip of your life.
Where is your dipstick on these motors?
Bye, Lindsay. I find if you don't check the oil on 3 liters, it's best. Dipstick's a little bit bent.
Bent, sorry.
It's okay. I got
Oh,
it.
it's mint.
Oh!
It's
nice
full,
and black.
Yeah, it's in black.
but full.
In full.
Alright,
Are they all out?
they're all out.
It'll probably mist out. Yep.
Water come out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the worst one for sure. It's coming out of all of them for sure. Yeah, just keep.
Yeah, it's so fucking mist. I think we're ready. Hey,
Let it idle.
let it loaf a bit.
Eat alive!
You don't need to worry about that.
Let the water?
Coming out of the exhaust.
Oh yeah, just water coming right out. Wash your hands.
Friggin' sweet.
Dude, I can't believe how good it's running.
I think it might be running better now because we fixed that one spark plug that was misfiring.
Well, when can we hit the limiter?
Now?
Can I give it a little bit of RPM?
Might as well see if it blows up.
Now it's smoking white.
Yeah, once it starts to run good again, we'll just
Send it again.
hit the limit and send it again.
It's not that wet, right? What do you mean? I'm gonna try this out and use it.
Buy a $3 filter.
No.
There we go.
You trust that?
For the time. Are you gonna knock it over?
Look at it bouncing right now.
I really want to hit it with mine.
It's got a stabilizer in it, you know? Uh-oh.
Come on.
It'll clean itself out.
That's what we're doing. If you wait 5 minutes, blow it again. Wait 5 minutes, blow it again.
Hey, this cylinder's noisy now. Just drop one. Hear it?
Oh, there it is. I heard it.
Like, it'll run like that for a long while. Did you put a cam in it? Did I? I don't know. It sounds like you put a cam in it.
Like riding a horse.
You're not doing that?
No. It's not me. It's like, it's 1 to 5, dead cylinder. 1 to 5, dead. Whatever. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The engine. Oh, that engine might be done.
Kind of sounds like it.
Hello. Oh yeah, I dropped the cylinder and knocking now. Oh yeah. And knocking now. Oh yeah. Devin, did you blow it up? Like, why? You making me rip.
Axel, where's your helmet?
Something's gurgly in here.
What's boiling in there? Something's boiling.
Yeah.
If we can still fire it, then we might as well put a brick to it.
We should park it down there so that you don't send a piston through your house wall.
Oh, the truck
your
here?
Truck.
Yeah. Oh, hey. No. Did you hear what's going on? Well, goodbye. Chevy LS incoming. Do we want to bet on how long it's going to run for?
Hard to say. 6:30. My foot's on it. 3.5 minutes.
The 6.5, 3.5.
We'll go 4:47.
I was going to go 5:45.
2 minutes and 10 seconds with some gravel added.
Any last words?
No. Now the work begins.
Wow, that was under 2 minutes, I think.
Super
Minute and a half.
Okay, go minute and a half.
Connor, you win.
Woo!
My check engine light came on. It works.
No, your engine's still there.